A few years ago, it was crypto that was causing video card prices to skyrocket. And now it seems AI is going to do the same thing for RAM. Check this out. You might soon see 8 gig laptops everywhere, as manufacturers are likely to make high-end RAM configurations unaffordable. Essentially what this article is saying, which I'll link to, so you should check it out, is that manufacturers are going to start charging a lot more for RAM because AI is putting a huge pressure on RAM. And you could see this chart right here. I'll have it as well. Changes in DRAM capacity specifications for smartphones and notebooks. What this is basically saying is that while there has been progress moving up into higher and higher RAM for different market levels, you could see that there's a trend to basically bring it back down because things are going to get super expensive. Check this out. I'm going to show you one more thing right here. In 2025, Microsoft established a baseline RAM configuration of 16 gigs for its Copilot certified PCs. By the way, Apple did the same thing with their Apple Intelligence. So you have to everything is 16 gig basically. But now, reports suggest that we may be entering an area where developers will need to optimize their applications for optimal memory usage, as having RAM on board can become increasingly challenging. Even now, companies like Dell have started to demand an additional $550 to upgrade from 16 gig to 32 gig of LPDDR5X memory, and manufacturers are now actually approaching the level of Apple when it comes what they demand for RAM upgrades. What do you think about that? AI is great, isn't it? Even when it causes prices to increase for everybody.